Hands flat on your thighs. Start with a slow exhale and breathe out slowly 3 times, then breathe regular. See, sense, and imagine a silver band stretched tightly across your skull from temporal bone to temporal bone and flaring out slightly at the ends as it lies on the bones. See and sense the band tightening around your skull, with the ends pressing against the temporal bones and then quickly releasing. The band and ends squeeze once again and then release quickly. And again, a 3rd time. Open your eyes knowing the pain has gone.